Alright, so HTML format extra liners. List of tags, comma separated, that should have an extra new line before them. Null defaults to head, body, and HTML. So having this right here, or null, is exactly the same thing. But let me show you what this is in the HTML code itself. So notice that we have head, body, and HTML is actually not the beginning tag, but the ending tag, right? So this means that we will have an extra space before the head tag. So here it is. Before the body tag, here it is, and before the ending HTML tag. So here it is. Actually, don't like these extra spaces, so I'm gonna delete this. And now, if I trigger a format by saving, because I have format on save, it's not gonna remove those lines. So you have, or I have to remove them manually, but it's not going to add them either. So this setting does not remove them. If you remove those tags there, obviously, it's gonna respect the new lines that you inserted, but it doesn't add them anymore. So I'm gonna leave this one empty because I don't like those extra lines.